What letter is this? R. O, gagabo. Hold mo. Letter R. O, letter? Anak. Letter? W. O, hold mo, hold. Hihi, very good. Isa-isa muna. Letter? Letter? No, letter? Tingnan mo anak mabuti. Letter? Come here. Ikikis ko yung head mo. Dali, kitty. O, letter? Letter? K. Letter K. Letter? Letter? Ikat mamaya. Ikat. A letter? A letter? Ay, oh. Kiliting. Gan. Letter? Oh, dali, oh. Ikaw anak ko, letter?
Nasira na yung letter. Ako na,
Oh, anak ko, letter? Oh, kiliting. Oh, kiss ko yung head mo. Kiss ko yung head. Oh. Letter? Oh, kiss ko yung head. Oh, letter? Oh, what letter is this? Letter? Ay, tingnan mo ito. Letter D. Oh, letter?
Unahan pa tayo, dali.
Letter? Oh, what letter is this? Very good. Ito, letter?
Ayan na naman.
Letter? Ay, oh, this one, letter?
Ayan ulit.
Letter? Ay,
Very good.
galing.
Ayan
Oh,
na
letter?
naman.
Letter? Letter? Oh. Letter?
Biling muna.
Biling muna. Game. Letter? G. Galing. Oh, biling. Oh, letter? Bulaga. Letter? Letter? C. Bulaga. Oh, letter? Hey, very good. Oh, letter? Bulaga. E. Very good. The letter? Bulaga. Wow. Bulaga. Letter? Letter? Oh, piling mo muna, madal. Ayun. Very good. Oh, letter? Letter? Mali anak ko. Yung isa. No, ito yung Q eh. Ito yung Q. This is letter Q. This one, letter? Oh, ay, ang galing. Letter G, appear. P. Galing na. Letter?
Nakachamba.
Oh, letter? L. Very good. The letter? Bulaga. H. Very good. Letter? Bulaga. Bulaga. Letter? N. Very good. Bulaga. Ano? Letter? Oh, isa pang biling. Baka nakalimutan. Gagab. Letter? Oh, letter? B. Anak, B. Letter B. B. This one. Letter? Nak, this one. Letter? This one. Letter?
Paligtad kaya.
Letter? Z. Very good. Ito. Letter? Ito nakalimutan nyo. Letter? Bulaga. Ba't lalagyan yung S? Letter? Okay. Tama na nga.